The fear of doing the meditation wrong. Totally normal. That's a classic fear that people have. The main reason why people procrastinate, doing a meditation, getting into it, or doing it in a way that's consistent. And that's something that I totally get. I mean, when I got started, you know, I had no idea what I was doing. I even stumbled upon meditation by mistake. It was a time where I felt lost. I needed direction. I was looking for my purpose, and really the reason why I went to the meditation piece without even calling it meditation. I just needed to find a time, a place where I could just be with myself and just get away from all the stresses that I had in my life at that point. And so this is what I found I was able to get when I got into that, I guess, meditative space or time with myself. And as I grew and evolved on this meditation journey, I realized that there was a common thread. And the one thing that got me to love practicing meditation on a daily basis, I do it every day. I mean, at this point, I've done it for like over 13 years, racked up, I'm pretty sure over 4,500 hours doing it. And the common theme that I've seen is the fact that as long as there's intentionality, as I go into that meditative space, then I am doing it right. Now, how I go about it may change, but what has made the difference is whenever I step into that time, there's something that I hope to experience when I'm meditating. And so, fast forward to now, where I'm at with this meditation is whenever I started, there's always an intention. Maybe it's something that's troubling me in my life. Maybe it's, to find better ways to do certain things, or just looking for just some peace. It's the refuge that I'm looking for. Whatever it is, starting with the intentionality really helps. And so that makes me think that there is no right or wrong way to do a meditation. Because at the end of the day, what I've learned is that when we, when I guess we do it right and we have the right intention, it gives us what we need. And I guess that's the thing. The meditation, I feel, or spending time with ourselves is designed to provide us with what we need at that particular time. And the one thing that helps with that is, again, as, I always do it, is I have this intention as I get into this space, then I release it, and then I just allow myself to be. Because meditating is one of those rare opportunities where we can just be with ourselves. I can be with myself, no distractions. I can enjoy my own company. At first, it wasn't easy, to be able to sit in that space where there are no distractions, there's no sound around, and it's just me and myself and my thoughts. But eventually, I realized that that made a huge difference in the way that I'm able to show up for myself, for others, in areas of work, when I have that time with myself. And I'm not, because of it, not reactive to the demands of the day and anything unexpected that can come up. But only because I spend that time in there. And when I'm in there, the only thing I'm looking for is just some peace. Some peace, some answers. And again, what really facilitates that is the intention. So if someone is wondering or feel like they can't be consistent with their meditation because of the fear of doing it wrong, the good news is that there is no right or wrong way to go about it. The most important thing is that you get to spend time with yourself. And what's wrong with that? And just allow the process to unfold. Whether you give yourself 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, is the fact that you're giving this gift to yourself and allow to see what comes out of that. And so, if this is something that has been helpful to you in terms of some of the insights I've given you, great. But if you're looking for a more detailed way to approach this so you feel more confident stepping into the meditation and know what to look for, how you think you need to do it, and have a bit of a structure so you know how to make the most out of the experience, I do have a free PDF that you can download in my free community called Soul Work. And yeah, once you're on there, I'll include the link to get it, underneath the video here. Just click on that, and that'll take you to where you can download that PDF. And this way you can comfortably, and confidently, start practicing meditation, do it on a consistent basis. And you'll find that as you grow with your meditation experience, if we call it that, you'll be able to add your own flavor. So this way it becomes an integral part of your life, who you are, just like it has been for me. I wouldn't go without it. And whenever I get into that space, I just allow it to provide me what I need at that time. But again, because as I go into it, I have just one intention. And once I have it, I let myself go and I allow for the experience to unfold. And when I feel that it's time to move on to the other part of the day, I do. After I was able to get everything that I needed out of the meditation experience. So again, if you're looking for that free PDF that can give you a bit more structure and more confidence as you go into this, hop on to Soul Work, and I can't wait to see you there. If you have any questions, let me know. And otherwise, until next time, my name is Mick, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.